Real quick before we get started, I want to let you guys know that Notify is looking to expand our staff team in the following categories on the screen. If you're interested and you can provide any of the following services for our group, go ahead and apply at notify.wiki/apply. My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Of important releases, we have Jordan 6 Carmines and we have Air Force One's Love Letter. Let's go! Size 8! Yo, that's my personal. Another one. Sheesh, dude. Tohru's eating these mids. This is ridiculous. Today we have a lot of dunks dropping. We do have a lot of chances to get a lot of shoes. Will that be a case? We're gonna find out on the next episode. The first drops are going to be in about 30 minutes. Now, even though there are a lot of shoes dropping, I do predict that the stock numbers for each of these shoes aren't going to be that high. So I'm gonna be trying my best. I'm kind of going all out for these drops. So hope we get a lot of pairs, and if we don't, that would suck. Oh man, Undefeated didn't even drop the dunks. I hate when this happens. What month is it? February. I'm having deja vu. Come on. Boat. God damn it, what? Rate limited? No, what? Rate limited. Bro, what is this? Nah, this is on Kit's end. Nah, dude, I'm moving like a slug. It's gonna be out of stock. Ah. That's an L, bro. Like, not happening. Here's about 1 minute before Supreme. I have not copped anything yet. I'm so washed, it's embarrassing. Here's another drop that I'm definitely gonna take an L on, but I'm just YOLOing this drop, like last second setup, literally. Apparently the website is dead. Alright, I'm gonna keep running then. I'm gonna retire.
Yo, who's that Luke X-Side guy?
Oh my god! No! Wait! I got one! I'm back from retirement! Let's go! Jeez! I suck! Honestly, that dunk drop was quite a disaster. It was only able to come out with 2, but apparently these were actually very difficult to get. But considering the amount of resources that I had, like this time I actually had no excuses. I kind of just suck. But anyways, for the Supreme restocks, I cannot believe I was able to check out. Well, I can kind of believe it because I do have these items sent to a different address. If you haven't caught on yet, I have a bunch of boxes behind me. You don't see any more shoes. That's because I am getting out of here. That means I'm going to be unbanned on Supreme and I'm going to be unbanned on Yeezy Supply, which are 2 major retailers that I've been struggling with a lot because of. On Yeezy Supply, I have an entire zip code banned, and on Supreme, I don't know. I think it's just something with my address, but as you can see, that is no longer the case. I was able to hit 2 BOGOs and 2 Supreme Air Force Ones, so very happy about that. Anyways, today is another extremely important day. We have Jordan 1 silver toes that are going to be dropping now. These are also going to be very limited. Hopefully I don't flop as bad as I did on the dunks. This time I'm gonna go for a bit of a different strategy. I'm going to be putting most of my eggs in fewer baskets instead of the previous release where I basically just try to run as many bots as possible and my data just vanished. So I'm gonna try to not let that happen again. Let's do it. What? I can't believe it. How? Oh, what the hell? Let's go! I got 2 straight off the bat. Ooh, got 1. Yes. 2. Let's go. Another one. That Jordan 1 release was pretty tough, but nevertheless we were able to get a bunch of pairs. Looks like a lot of people were struggling on this one, and I think that has something to do with Footsites changing up something with anti-bot. There's only a very few amount of bots that worked really well during that release, and Prism was definitely one of them. So I am really happy that I basically put most of my resources in that bot because it definitely paid off. Anyways, today is our last day in this apartment. We actually hired a moving company to move all the stuff from here into the new place. But here's the thing. Because of COVID, I'm not able to be in the truck with them. So basically, they're gonna take all of my stuff, including about $200,000 worth of sneakers, and there is a possibility, even though it's very low, it's still possible anything can happen that like they kind of just disappear with about $200,000 worth of inventory. That would suck. I really don't think that's gonna happen, but we just gotta pray for the best. Hopefully nothing happens, everything gets there safely, nothing is damaged. I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, dude, I've been offline for such a long time. It feels like a really long time. I know it's only been a few days. I missed so many restocks, but I don't even care. I just want to get settled and that's it. Anyways, as far as the shoes are concerned, they were able to be transported safely. There weren't any boxes that got damaged, surprisingly. The moving company did an extremely good job, but What did get damaged was my computer, and I was not able to even turn it on basically for 2 days because the CPU's cooler ended up failing, so I had to buy a new one, and yeah, not good. But nevertheless, starting from now, it is in fact going to be a new chapter in my journey to riches.